Hello kids, our today's topic is geometric plane shapes, right? So let's begin. First shape is circle. Circle is round. Circle is round. When you cut a lemon into two halves, it becomes a circle. Your round clock, that is wall clock, is also circle. Next shape is oval. See the shape? It is oval. Why it is oval? See, my face is also oval. Rugby ball is also oval. Your egg is also oval. So the shape which is not a circle but one side is little bit straight, that is called oval. Next comes triangle. Next comes triangle. Triangle has three sides. Triangle has three sides and it has three angles. So three sides and three angles. Such type of figures are called as triangles, right? See the piece of a cake, piece of a pizza, when we cut them, it is cut into triangle. Next comes square. Next comes square. See, square has four sides, four equal sides. All sides of a square are equal, right? So it's similar like your bread. You every morning, most of the mornings when we get up early in the morning, we eat bread either with the tea or milk, or we spread cheese on it and then we eat it. So bread is also a square. Next comes Monaco biscuits. You see the biscuits, they are also square in shape. Next plane shape is rectangle, right? Rectangle, the two opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. See, your money note is rectangular in shape. Photo frame, see, photo frame is rectangular in shape. Next shape is diamond. Diamond shape. Next shape is diamond. So, diamond shape, the shape is all the sides are equal, but they are not, the angles are not equal. So this type of shape is called as diamond, right? See, they are different, angles are different. Boy is wearing a crown in which there are 5 diamond shapes. Kite shape is also a diamond. Next comes pentagon. See, pentagon has how many sides? Pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any 5-sided figure, when it is closed, then it is called as pentagon, right? Next comes, see, a pigeon house, that is also pentagon in shape. Next comes your ball, that football. Football also have small pentagons. They are stitched. Next comes hexagon. Hexagon is honey bee. Have you seen the honeycomb? Honeycomb has small blocks and these blocks have 6 sides. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these honeycombs, the figure has 6 sides. So this shape is called as hexagon, right? Next comes, so the figures that we have learned: circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, diamond, pentagon, and hexagon. Now, I hope it is clear. So, students, we have learned the shapes, plane shapes, Plane shapes as square, all sides are equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal, right? Next is circle. From the center, a circle is drawn at the equidistance. Means this is the center and this is radius. And this distance is same throughout the circle. Just like you tie up a thread, hold it and then rotate a ball around it. So ball will form a circle with a fixed point. So it is the same. Next comes oval. Oval. See this type of shape of a rugby ball, or see my face is also oval. It is not a circle, right? Next comes, is it clear to you? Next shape comes diamond. Diamond shape. Diamond shape is like a kite, right? Diamond shape is like a kite. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, but these angles are different, right? The angles are not equal. All the angles are not equal. Next shape is pentagon. Next shape is pentagon. It has 5 sides. Pent means 5. It has 5 sides. How many sides? 5 sides. So when any figure has 5 sides like this type of figure is called as pentagon. Next comes hexagon. Hexagon. See, hexa means 6. So how many sides are there? 6 sides. Right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The hexagon has 6 sides. Is it clear to everyone? I hope it is clear to you. Next comes open and closed figure. Now, what is open and closed figures are? See, open figure. Open figure means, for example, I have tried to make a pentagon, but by mistake, I forgot to join these two lines. So now, when there is a space, see open. So open means there is a space. The figure is not, all the lines of a figure are not joined. Then these type of figures are called as open figures. Now see, I am drawing one more. So it is also an open figure. It is also an open figure. Now its counterpart is closed figure. Now what are closed figures? See, the same figure now I am drawing one more time. But now this time I didn't forget to join them. Right? So this type of figure, when all the lines of the figure are joined to each other, then these figures are called as closed figures, right? See example, now I'm drawing like this. See? So it is a closed figure. Let's take another example. It is a closed figure. So any figure with from starting point and the end point, they are joined together, then these type of figures are called as closed figures. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. So now let's revise a small exercise. Can you tell me which type of figure is this, open or closed? See, all I have started running from here and running, and again I have come back to the starting point. So this is a closed figure. Here also I started running from here, then here, and then see, again I reached the starting point. So it is also a closed figure. But now here, when I started running from here, I have not reached the starting point, right? So it is a open figure. It is a open figure. Similarly, see, this is also an open figure. This is a closed figure. And this is again a closed figure. So I hope now open figure and closed figures are clear to you. Is it okay? So now let's study the properties of square, right? So now see, square is a four-sided closed figure. Which type of figure? Closed figure. Now how many sides it is having? See, first side is AB. First side is AB. Second side is BC. Second side is BC. Third side is CD. Third side is CD. And fourth side is DA. DA. Right? Now what are vertices? So these corners, four corners are called as vertices. Right? So what are the vertices? Vertices are A, B, C and D. Now let's come to the next figure. Next figure is rectangle. Now see, rectangle. How many sides are there in rectangle? Again, it is a four-sided closed figure. So now here see, rectangle, the sides are PQ, QR, RL, LP. Is it clear to you? See, PQ, QR, RL, LP. And how many vertices are there? See, four corners are P, point P, vertex Q, vertex R, and vertex L. I hope it is clear to you how to find out sides and corners or vertices of square and rectangle. So next is circle. Now see, circle, the properties of a circle are AB. See, from one end of the circle, when we are passing through the center, we reach to the second side. This straight line is called as diameter. AB is called as diameter. Next comes your OM. What is this OM? See, when from center you reach to the circle, the edge of the circle, this OM is called as radius. So, your radius is half of diameter. Radius is half of diameter. See, this is also diameter and this is also radius and this is also radius. So when two radiuses are added, you get a diameter. Or you can say your diameter is 2 times of radius, right? Your diameter is 2 times of radius. Next comes when you start running along the round path of the circle, this round path, the distance covered by you when you come back to the starting point, right? This whole path is called as circumference. What we call it? Circumference, right? So the length of the circle. So basically, length of the circle is called as circumference, right? I hope it is clear. What is diameter, what is radius, and what is circumference? And see, your diameter is 2 times of radius. See, center, I have drawn one radius. From same, I have drawn another straight line straight to this line. So touch the circumference of the circle. This AB becomes the diameter, and diameter is 2 times of radius. A circle has infinite, means uncountable number of diameters and uncountable number of radius. So is it clear? So kids, see, this is a circle, right? This is a circle. See, from center, I have drawn a line, right? So when this line is seen, like from center, if you draw many lines, or length of all such lines which are coming from the center and reaching the circumference, they all are equal in length. Now see, if I fold the circle from its diameter, I will get a half circle. See, this is the similar figure, right? So, when a circle is folded from its diameter, then it becomes a semicircle. Means we can say half of a circle. Half of a circle forms a semicircle, right? So, see, semicircle along with the diameter, see, along with the diameter I have folded. So, AB is diameter of a semicircle. See, this is from the center O. This is the radius. So, your OP is radius, right? And what is the circumference of this circle? Circumference is AB. See this arc. What is this length of the circle? Length of the circle, sorry, semicircle. Length of the semicircle is, see, this, what is this? Half of circumference of the circle plus this. This is the, see, if you want to run along this, you will come here and then you will move this straight path. So, half of the circumference of the circle. See, this is the circumference of the circle. So, half the circumference of the circle plus diameter plus diameter, right? So when you add half the circumference of the circle and the diameter, then you will get the length of the circle, length of the semicircle. Is that clear? Now the last shape comes is triangle. Now what are the properties of a triangle? Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. So now what are the sides of a triangle? What are the sides of a triangle? AB, BC, and CA. And how many corners? Corners or vertices? Corners or vertices? See, you have 1, 2, 3. So the corners are A, B, and C. So triangle has 3 angles. How many angles? 3 angles, right? These are the 3 angles of a triangle. So angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C, right? So triangle is a three-sided closed figure having 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. So I hope students in today's class you must have learned all the plane figures, right? Properties of plane figures, closed figures, and open figures, right? So goodbye for today.